Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This review reflects my personal experiences using the service. Today, we're taking a look at Santander, a global banking giant. Their website, located at santander.com, offers a comprehensive range of financial services for individuals and businesses. Navigating through the site, you'll discover options for everyday banking needs like checking and savings accounts, as well as more complex financial products such as mortgages, loans, and investment opportunities. Santander's online platform appears designed for ease of use, with clear sections dedicated to different customer segments and financial goals. The site also emphasizes digital banking tools and services, allowing customers to manage their finances conveniently from anywhere. Further exploration reveals resources dedicated to financial education and advice, suggesting Santander's commitment to empowering their customers. While specific details regarding interest rates and fees may vary based on your location and specific circumstances, the website provides avenues to access this information. It's worth noting that Santander operates in numerous countries, and the website allows you to select your region for a more tailored experience. This localized approach ensures that you're presented with the most relevant products and services available in your area. While the site's overall design is clean and professional, the sheer breadth of information available can initially feel a bit overwhelming. However, with a little exploration, it becomes clear how Santander has attempted to organize its offerings for different user needs. Whether you're an individual looking for a basic checking account or a business seeking complex financial solutions, Santander's online presence provides a gateway to explore their diverse range of products and services. Don't forget to check the description for links and further information. Remember to subscribe and hit that like button for more Rome tips.